Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving Leetcode problem 230, that is kth smallest element in a binary search tree. So let's try to understand this and then write the code. We are given a binary search tree and we are also given an integer k, and we have to return the kth smallest value of all the values of the nodes in the tree, and our index starts at 1. So we are given a binary search tree. Now what we can do is we can convert our binary search tree and we can write it in form of in order. So what we will have is we will have a sorted array. Once we get a sorted array, what we can do is we can stack them up like 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we have stacked them, we can just return its k minus 1 position as our index, as we are indexed at 1. It starts at 1. So our stack would have position like 0, 1, 2. So that is the reason why we can just return our k minus 1 position. For example, here we have got k equals to 1. So after we have converted it to our in order array and we would have stacked it, what would we get if we return our k minus 1 stack position? We would get this element. We would get 1. So that would be our smallest element. Like this is the approach we can take. So if I see in this example, what would happen is first we will convert it to our in order array. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our in order is sorted. What we can do is we can put them up in a stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we will return the k minus 1 position of the stack. So what will happen? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our k is given as 3. 3 minus 1 would be 2. So we will be returning our second position. Our second position, that is 3. So here our output would be 3. This is the approach we can take to find the kth smallest element in a binary search tree, because we know that binary search tree has all the elements to its left as smaller than the root and all the elements to its right has a greater value than the root. So we can just sort it, put them into a stack, and we will just return the k minus 1 value because our index is starting at 1. First, we will initialize a stack. Then we will be calling dfs, and in that let it be our root. So what we would check is if our root is none, we would just return. Else what we would do is we would recurse it left, as our in order is left, then root, then right. So first we will recurse our left subtree, then we will be appending our root values, and we will be calling our right subtree. So after we have done that, we would just return k minus 1 value. Okay, and we also need to call our dfs with the root that we are given. So yeah, let's run it and see if it works. Yes, so we have got the test cases accepted. So this is how we can find the kth smallest element in a binary search tree. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.